A bug-out bag is more than just a collection of gear. It's your lifeline in an emergency. Today, we'll break down what makes an effective bug-out bag, what you need to include, and some crucial strategies to ensure you're prepared for any situation. Before you even start packing, it's crucial to have a solid plan. A bug-out bag should be designed for specific emergencies, like natural disasters or civil unrest. The key is flexibility. Your bag should be versatile enough to handle different scenarios, from a few days away to a more extended evacuation. Having multiple plans ensures that you're ready for whatever comes your way, with alternate routes and destinations mapped out. Now let's talk about what goes in the bag. The first priority is shelter. A compact tent or a durable tarp can provide much-needed protection from the elements. Next, water is crucial. Include a water filtration system or purification tablets to ensure access to clean drinking water. Fire-making tools are essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. For food, pack non-perishable items that are lightweight and high in calories, like energy bars or freeze-dried meals. Don't forget a well-stocked medical kit with basics like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any personal medications. Navigation tools like a map and compass or a GPS device are vital to help you find your way if the standard infrastructure fails. One of the biggest mistakes people make is overloading their bug-out bag. Remember, you need to be mobile. Choose multi-use items to save space and weight. For example, a survival knife can serve multiple purposes, from cutting food to starting fires. Keep your bag's weight manageable to avoid fatigue, which could hinder your escape or survival. Another smart strategy is to use cache locations along potential bug-out routes. This means hiding supplies like food, water, and tools in secure spots that are easy to access but hard for others to find. This approach can help lighten your main bag and provide backup supplies if your primary gear is compromised or runs out. Having the right gear is only half the battle. You need to be familiar with everything in your bag. Regularly practice using your equipment so you won't waste precious time figuring things out during a crisis. Attend survival courses, watch tutorials, and stay informed about the best survival practices. The more you practice, the more prepared you'll be when an emergency hits. A bug-out bag isn't just a backpack filled with gear. It's a critical part of your survival plan. By carefully selecting your items, avoiding overloading, using caches, and practicing regularly, you can be prepared for any situation. Start building your bag today and take that first step towards being ready for whatever comes your way.